see you again. How have you been?
You too, Stormy. How you doing?
I'm doing fantastic. So you came back to see, tell me a little bit more about how the hair bangers has been working for you.
Oh, it's been over a year that I've been using
Can't believe it. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's been over a year, and I'm just showing you. Here's my little case. I love my case. It's great because I misplaced them once, and I made sure when you give me that case, I was very happy.
Yes, this little case that you can buy separately on Imagine Hair, and it's a really nice little tote bag that you can put in your hair banger and just snap it in and put it in your purse or suitcase or whatever it is that you have.
Yeah, well, I do that a lot because sometimes,
They come in handy.
they're great to carry around with me. So I just wanted to show you how great they were. I haven't had any problems at all with them. And we had to recolor them because I had to recolor my hair.
Oh, okay.
Because I went really dark, and so I made them dark, so I had to go back to my natural color. So, and it's great. They're easy to wash and color, so I really like that. So it really makes my life easier. And
so when you first bought them, they were like this.
yes, I remember that.
The two little snap clips in the back, and we give you plenty of length to work with because everyone's hair is different lengths. And like Francine was just saying, she bought them originally like this, and she ended up with them like this because she was able to color them and trim them whatever length of her own hair she wanted. Now Francine's pretty good with her hair, so she did it herself. Didn't do a bad job either. Look,
And
even after a year, look.
I used two. This is for one, and this is for my bald spot in the back of my head.
Yeah, so she wears two of them on two different places on her head. And look at these are still holding up very well, and it's been at least a year now.
Yes, definitely a year.
So that shows you a lot of versatility that you can do with the hair banger. And if I put it on top of this hair banger, look, she cut it the length she wanted, and it's literally only about a half a shade different than when she first bought it. But look how it held up very well, because we have a lot of people that say, well, how long do these things last? And this shows you definitely.
And I do wash it and put hairspray in it too. So when I need to move around my hair, and then I wash it out, and it's
right.
And then I'll blow it.
Okay, perfect. So that answers that question.